Okay, what we have here is a window regulator assembly from I believe it's a Silver Wraith, Rolls Royce. This is the infamous Piper motor, and its function is to raise and lower a window, which is operated by a chain, which we actually don't have here. This chain sprocket here goes through the vise all the way up to, if I can get this right, this chain sprocket here. And we don't have the chain here, but basically as the chain goes up and down, it has a platform on it that lifts and lowers the wheel. But this came to us non-functional. We rewired it properly. This is a polarity reversing relay that makes the motor go clockwise or counterclockwise. And the limits to which this goes up and down is controlled by these two micro switches. The micro switches are activated by a very special chain link. So when the chain rolls all the way around to this for up or all the way down to that for low, it triggers these micro switches. So we're going to show all of this in operation. And go ahead, Matt, with your explanation.
So I'm just going to be grounding S1 or S2, which is what happens when you press the switch up or down. So we'll start with S1.
Okay, now the motor is turning.
It's turning, and then when I activate the switch, it stops.
Okay, because these switches are normally closed. Right.
Then we'll do S2. It's now going the opposite direction. And I activate the switch, and it stops.
Okay, so basically that proves the function of this unit. We will be supplying this ancient wiring diagram along with it that shows exactly where all the wires connect, and is what we followed for the operation of this motor. These being the switches that operate it, although in this it's a driver's door, it only has one switch. And the relay itself with all the designated connections, the chain, the motor, the micro switches. And we thank you for your view.